Hey guys, Chris with Smile Mile Painting, and today we're painting at Macy's at the Columbia Center Mall. So with a commercial job, not only are we updating the color, but we're also covering the blemishes that come from boxes being moved back and forth, from fixtures nicking the wall, and if you think about it, the thousands of people that create foot traffic that come in and out of this store every single day. Next time you're in Macy's shopping at the Columbia Center Mall, know that Smile Mile Painting got their painting done.